August 25th, 2026. The time is 16:20. The temperature is 70 degrees. I-70 West, Vail Pass. The closures for today are over, but there will be closures tomorrow, 20 to 45 minutes, for sign installation. That closure tomorrow will be from 9:30 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. Wednesday, August 26th. So plan ahead for that. You're going to be delayed if you come up here without planning ahead. Checking code trip, traffic speeds. That's my favorite one lately. They turn off the cameras in certain places where there might be a delay, so those aren't always reliable. We got a right lane closure westbound, no eastbound lane closures. There is some police radar down by Copper Mountain, I-70 East, so heads up for that. Ooh, looks like there's some good traffic volume eastbound today up here on Vail Pass. The sign installation is by the avalanche mitigation area. The right lane closure was about halfway down, and then we opened back up to 2 lanes here on I-70 West Vail Pass. They do have an eastbound lane closure today, which is never fun, and that's going to cause some delays, possibly only a 10-minute delay to get up and over the pass. We do have some police radar out in this area, so watch your speed today. Alright, well that's I-70 Vail Pass for this Tuesday, August 25th, 2026. Drive safe out there, watch your speed, don't let the crazy drivers